given what we know is the outcome, what is the distribution of the features? So usual AI, we would ask, X might be images of dogs and cats, right? This is images of pets. But what about the distribution of X when we know that it is a dog? Well, we want to learn that. We want to know, we want to learn from dog pictures what constitutes a dog, conditioned on the fact that it is a dog. What is the distribution of the images? That's what, all this chatbot gave us, right? We say, give me an image of a dog, show me an image of a cat. Well, that is the prompt. But given the prompt, what would be the image look like? And that's what GenAI gave us. In finance, if you apply the same analogy to finance, you would say, here, the X would be, let's say, a return series, right? And if you don't have any condition, the return series for the US, for example, index is always going positive, maybe average excess return of, let's say, 7%, right, a year. But we want to know what is the distribution of X when we are in a bear market. That's the conditional. That's the prompt. We're not interested in just modeling the unconditional distribution of returns. We are interested in saying, well, now that we are in a bear market, let's say, down 10% from the high water mark, what would be the subsequent return of series look like? What would be the conditional distribution of the returns? That's what a GenAI will give you.